Disarm by the Smashing Pumpkins. This is a fantastic song for any acoustic guitarist to learn. Simple strumming, but a couple of embellishments that are great to get down, and basic open chords, cowboy chords. Definitely give this one a go, and let me know any other song suggestions you want to see on the YouTube channel in the comments below. Let's make a start. So the chords you'll need in this song are E minor 7, a C add 9, G major, and then G over F sharp. We also have a D major and a D sus4 in the chorus. And we'll be switching between these, hopefully with a little bit of freedom, because we're going to be covering some embellishments in this song, because there's a lot of freedom we can have with this one. The song actually starts with this kind of double time strum, and it's on an E minor 7. So that's something to get used to right off the bat. Just this down, up, down, quite fast but free. Don't tense your forearm at all. Just holding the pick enough not to drop the pick, and keeping the forearm nice and loose. Remembering strummings are quite a twist of the wrist motion when we do it faster. So it's like, that's just a slight twist of the wrist. And then the rest of the time, it's just downs on an 8th strumming. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So just as a bare bones example, down, up, down on the E minor, it's C add 9, G, and on beat 3 of the second bar, that's where we change to this G over F sharp. For example, and we go early to the C add 9, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There's an early push on the C add 9. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With that 8th strumming, slow example first of all. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now the original recording has an electric guitar just doing that first strum, but we can mimic that, and we should do that on the acoustic guitar anyway, by having a full strum, so strumming all 6 strings, and then when we're doing the 8ths, just sticking to like the thickest 3 or 4 strings, so almost playing like a power chord. And that's how we can get this 8th strumming really natural as well, and do it a lot more effortlessly, because it's a really small motion. Disarm you with a smile, cut you like you want me to, cut that little child inside of being such a part of you. For example, okay? That's just to give you the idea. Again, I don't have a great voice, and I've got a bit of a cold at the moment, so my apologies. Hopefully that gives you all the bare bones of this song to be able to play through it. That's the real trick to it, getting the down, up, down, and then move into that 8th strumming motion. We'll go through that again in a second. Let's just have a look at the chorus now. Here where we have the C add 9. I used to be a little boy. E minor 7. D sus4. And then back to the C add 9. I used to be a little boy, so old in my shoes. What I choose is my choice. What's a boy supposed to do? Same as that again. Killer in me is the killer in you. It's the same as that again. The only thing we're going to do right at the end of the chorus is go to a normal D major rather than the D sus4. I send this smile over to you. A little bit of repetition there. That is C add 9, I send this smile over to you. This is E minor, D, E minor, D, C add 9. Here's a slow playthrough of that just to show you how that works together with this 8th strumming. We do still have the accents. I used to be a little boy, so old in my shoes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So watch out for that. The killer in me is a killer in you, my love. Send this smile over to you. And then we're back to a verse. For example, let's have a bit of a slow playthrough, a little bit of singing, but just enough to show you where you are, because I don't want to put you off with my terrible singing, especially when my throat's hurting like hell. So let's have a look at this. E minor 7 start off with, let's have some fun. Double strum to start off with. Nice and loose, no tension in that forearm at all. Just enough tension to hold your pick. In 1, 2, 3, and 4. Disarm you with a smile, cut you like you want me to. Put that little child inside of me and such a part of you. Ooh, the years burn. Ooh, the years burn, burn. Let me hold that C add 9. I used to be a little boy, so old in my shoes. Hang on that C add 9 for this first chorus. What I choose is my choice. What's a boy supposed to do? The killer in me is a killer in you, my love. And a smile over you. E minor again. Disarm you with a smile and leave you like they left me here, to wither ending now. The bitterness of one who's left alone. Ooh, the years burn. Ooh, the years burn, burn. Chorus in 2, 3, 4. I used to be a little boy, so old in my shoes. What I choose is my choice. What's a boy supposed to do? The killer in me is a killer in you, my love. I send this smile over to you. Then we have a final outro section. This is staying on D sus, going E minor to C add 9. It's just a slight tweak of the chorus of what we've done already. So after send this smile over to you, the killer in me is a killer in you. Send this smile over to D sus 4, E minor, and C add 9. B, E minor, and C. send this smile over to you. And then we just repeat D, E minor 7, D, E minor 7, finishing on C add 9. And there we go, that's the full song. Let me know how you got on with that in the comments below. And if you're needing more help with this, check out my fully revamped beginner's course at andyguitar.co.uk, where we have full jam tracks to play along with at every level, which should coach you to be able to play full songs such as this with 8 strumming. The chords in this are all covered in that beginner's course, so it's at that level. Somewhere around level 6 will be what I'd recommend for this song. Let me know how you get on with that. I'll leave a couple of other videos on screen now that I think you'll enjoy. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.